I'm going to be showing you how you can destroy the New York session with this one strategy that I've discovered and I've been refining for the past 6 months. Okay, so make sure you are listening very, very carefully because this works nearly every single day, and I'm going to be showing you exactly right here. So let's just get straight into it. I have all the information you need on the screen right now, so make sure you listen carefully. So first off, what we need to do is be on a 15-minute time frame because this works on GBP USD, Euro USD, NAS 100, and S&P 500. Okay, you need to be within the 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. New York time. Okay, this is New York time. UTC -4 right here. Okay, this is what we need to do. So once we're on that exact time frame, we need to mark it out with the vertical line from 8:30 right here. We're gonna be trading until 10:30. Okay, so anywhere around it. This is going to be our execution time. Okay, so now what we need to do is actually use a 15-minute time frame, 5-minute, and a 1-minute time frame. But I'm going to be showing you exactly what times to use these. So what you need to do now is find out on the 15-minute time frame of where liquidity actually taps into. So what you can do is mark out this trend line on the top of the 15-minute candle right here and the bottom of the 15-minute candle right here. Okay, so now what we need to do is actually figure out where liquidity takes out within this. Okay, so if I play price forward, you're going to see, there we go, just before price actually entered our time range where we're going to be trading, it's actually took out the bottom of price. Okay, you can see right here, it just swept this liquidity right here. All right, so it's just swept the lows. So I can mark this out as sweepage of lows right here. Okay, so the lows are gone. What we need to do now is drop down to the 5-minute time frame, just like I am right here. I need you to drop down 5-minute time frame. And what you need to do now is actually find out a bullish engulfing stick. Okay, once you find out a bullish engulfing stick, then you can easily execute this trade. So what I need to do now is play price forward, and we can see there's a green bullish engulfing stick. Okay, it's bullish to this candle right here because it's very, very small and it's very close to the small range. So now what we need to do is drop down to the 1-minute time frame after this one and actually mark out our market structure shift plus a displacement and execute. Okay, so that's all we need to do now. So where's our market structure shift? You would say right here, and it's right here at this tip because the candle before it and the candle after it did not go above it, which makes this the most recent high. So this is going to be our market structure shift. If I mark it out right there, and what we need to do now is actually mark out the fair value gap. So the fair value gap will be right here. And this strategy works so well. So make sure you are listening carefully. Just before I continue this, I just need to show you that I have a mentorship, which is one-time full payment guarantee, and I can absolutely make you profitable. Okay, I will teach you exactly how to become profitable and pass all of your funded accounts. Okay, it won't be easy, it won't be fast, but you will achieve your goal. Okay, once you purchase, you get access to my Discord and you get access to my secret strategy, which is better than this one I'm showing you right now, which includes the New York and London session. And I could also teach you my secret silver bullet strategy that I use to make thousands every single month. Okay, I have a full course of actually how to do this with over 20 hours plus of videos, and I also do weekly calls, which is where the most value is. Also have some bonuses. Make sure you join today because the price will increase to $99 tomorrow, and it's $49 right now, so make sure you join. But anyway, let's just get straight back into the video. And now if I show you what we need to do now is play price forward, and actually we'll go back into this area of demand and it will go all the way up after. Okay, you can see the price is still going up, and now it's going down to our pricing range. Okay, so what we need to do now is actually mark where we're going to be executing from, which is right here, placing our stop loss just below this area, like right here, and placing our take profit at least at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so there we go. This trade will be so perfect when it's executed. Okay, you can see that we've just entered right here because price actually dipped into our fair value gap, and it's just smashed take profit straight away with just 3 engulfing sticks. This works so well, and you can see that as broken structure again, and you can reuse the strategy and go back up. Okay, this works so well, and I'm going to be showing you another example right now so you can actually get the hang of it. Okay guys, now that I'm on a different example, this one is going to be way more complex, so make sure you do listen very carefully for this one. Okay, so we're going to be doing the exact same thing that I said on top of here. So we need to mark out actually our liquidity points from the point before. So you can see this is the high of the candle right there, and this is the low of the candle right here. Okay, so you can just mark out these 2 areas right there. And now what we need to do is actually figure out which point is actually getting swept. So we can see that the lows have just been swept right here. And I'm going to be just marking this out. Okay, so now what we need to do is drop down to the 5-minute time frame to figure out where the engulfing bullish candlestick is. Okay, so what we need to do now is play price forward and figure out where the candlestick where it's bullish. Okay, there we go. We just got a very, very bullish candlestick. And just to show you that this strategy actually does work, look at the results that my students been getting recently from this one strategy, and you can see that it works very, very well. Okay, you can see all these results right here. And I have a student that actually recently passed his funded account, so make sure you do listen carefully to me and what actually I say, because all of my strategies actually work and they're very, very good. So now if I go straight back to the video, we can see that we actually got a bullish candle right here. All we need to do now is go back to the 1 minute time frame, mark out our market structure shift. Okay, so this is going to be our market structure shift right here, from here to here, and we're going to actually overlap the FVG on it, which is going to be this FVG. Okay, the closest FVG to the market structure shift. So now what we need to do is enter off of this, the bullish candle right here, because price would actually go all the way back up and then tap back into the area just like this. So it will go up and then go accumulate, and then it'll go back down, tap into the area of the FVG, and it will go all the way back up. Okay, so this is the thing that we're looking for right now, and it will take actually the liquidity point up here. This is what we're looking for, and this is what we're gonna actually be aiming for. So if I put my stop loss around here and put my take profit all the way around to the liquidity area, we can see now if I play price forward, it's going up, and then it will tap back into the area. And we're still within our trading time, so you can see 10:30 is where it ends. I play price forward. You can see that it's just entered right there, and it will actually go all the way up, and you can see it just smash take profit. Okay, everything that I said actually worked, because I have so much experience within trading, and I've been testing the strategy so much, and I've actually worked very, very well for me. It's worked so well, and I'm gonna be explaining this just on a little chart right now, so you can actually understand and easily get this strategy. Okay, so I'm going to be just showing you just like this. Okay, so all you need on 15-minute time frame, you can let price do whatever it wants to do. Okay, once it gets to this point, once it gets to our trading time right here, let's say this is the 8:30 time. Once it gets to this time, now what we need to do is actually mark out our liquidity points. For example, it was from here to here. Okay, so we marked out our points, and we need to see where actually price sweeps what. Okay, so if we see price sweep the highs, for example, right here, we're gonna actually mark this out right here. And what we're gonna do now, once we see price mark out the highs, we're gonna be expecting price to actually engulf towards the downside, which is why we will go in the 5-minute time frame and look for a bearish or a bullish candlestick. So we're gonna be looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick right like this. And once we get this candlestick right here, what we need to do is actually trade off of the fair value gap, because we know for a fact that price will reach back up to here, and then it will go back all the way down. So what we need to do, mark out this area, and then we enter off the fair value gap. So once price actually hits back this area, this is where we actually will take our short position, placing our stop loss just close to this area, and placing our take profit at the other liquidity. Okay, at the opposite liquidity. This is a very, very simple strategy, but it works so well. And now all you need to do is wait for it to hit take profit, and this will be so well for you. And you can see it exactly right here in live form how it worked. Okay, you can see price actually took out the bottom liquidity, and then it went down, and then it created bullish, which we went on a 5-minute time frame for, and now we're on a 1-minute time frame, which we identified the market structure shift, which is right here, and we marked out the fair value gap. Okay, and once we've marked up the fair value gap, price actually overlapped, and if I show you right here, and it came all the way back down to the fair value gap to take it, and it's just shot all the way up to take profit. Okay, and you can see that it shot up more and more. But that's going to be the end of the video, and if you want more videos on this one strategy of the New York, make sure you actually comment in the description right now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.